Hello traders, you're welcome to this section. It's your one and only Forex coach Team Legend, and I'm super excited having you guys here today in this channel. You know how we do it in this channel. All our strategies are strategies to win. We post in this channel. If this is the first time on my channel, could you do me a favor and hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out a thing. The next strategy I'm about to post, you don't want to miss it. I'm about to post something very interesting for you guys and you don't want to miss it. So as you hit the subscribe button now, make sure you turn on the notification bell so that you be the first to get notified. Okay, all right, this is a wonderful strategy. Kudos to all those in the boom and crash trading community. Those who are in the community, we are all winning. You guys are all doing great. All those of you in the community, all right, you're all doing a great job, as we all are winning every single day. Every single day we keep winning. All right, this is a very powerful strategy, and I hope quite a lot of you I know those who don't have a PC might be like, hey Tim, how do we apply this? All right, but don't worry, this strategy is for those who have a PC. But don't worry, I'm going to show you exactly how to use it on your mobile app on the next video. That is why I said make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn the notification bell on so that the next video that I'm going to post for those using a phone, you don't miss it. Okay, so make sure you turn the notification bell on. So for now, this is for those using the PC, and I'll make sure that I drop every indicator that I'm using here. I'm gonna make sure that I drop it in my Telegram channel. So go straight to the description below and join my Telegram channel, because that's where I'm gonna drop the indicator. So before we proceed, I want to make sure I appreciate all my traders in the community. You guys are doing awesome, really awesome. In case if you haven't joined, you need to do so. Look what the students are doing in the community. You see the massive move. Making good results every single day. The difference about this community and any other community you might know is that everyone in this community, I have taught them how to trade the market, not just with indicators, but as I've also taught them how to apply proper price action. If you look, you're gonna see the price action they keep applying with their indicators, and they keep winning because they are applying their indicators with price action, and they're killing the boom and crash market in a massive way. Okay, you want to make sure that you join this community. Okay, as you can see, these are great results. Even though some of them are still practicing on their demo account, but they are really doing well. Why those who are on their real account are all winning big and massively. Traders, you need to be part of this. You can see the price action. All right, you can see the winning people growing their account from little to big. All right, so you want to make sure that you join this community. I'm super excited. It gives me nothing else but joy seeing myself imparting in the life of people, training people, raising people to be independent. So let us go straight to this strategy. Okay, now quite a lot of you know this indicator already, the shift supply and demand indicator. All right, I posted it sometime in my Telegram channel, but I'll have to post it again for the sake of this video. So we have another indicator here. Is a spike dictator. Okay, so you get to understand that not all the time this spike dictator gives you signals on time. That is why you have to apply other indicators also. It doesn't give you signals all the time on time. Sometimes it might give it to you on time, sometimes it might give it to you late. Okay, so you need to be careful due to the signal it gave me. That's why I placed this buying order, and I called this spike, but price is beginning to go back down because of this video I'm making, but that's not a big deal for me right now. So it's a very simple strategy. This indicator here is an indicator to help you spot out your supports and resistance. Okay, so is actually your price action indicator, bringing out your supports and resistance. And you know the rules of support and resistance. When price hits resistance, you want to take sales, all right, and when price hits support, you want to look for buying opportunities, right? So whenever you notice take notice the bull market, okay, this is the bull market. So whenever you notice price spike, go upward and hit a certain resistance zone, you want to make sure you look for your selling opportunities, because price would rather want to come down to a certain support level. So what I do with this strategy is, whenever this indicator spots out my resistance for me and gives me my support resistance beneath, what I'll do is I'll simply begin to use this to spot out the nearest support and resistance. Like now I have here to be this nearest support level, believing the price might end up spiking here soon. At any time it could spike, all right, but once it crosses it, I'll begin to look for my next obvious support level where I believe that price could really spike from again. That's that for that. Okay, that's for that for the main chart. You also want to understand what these are written here. It says verified resistance. Why it tells you verified resistance is price has got into a resistance zone 3 times. All right, it has touched it a first time, second time, and you can see a third time. So that's why it tells you verified resistance. Okay, now here it tells you untested. All right, untested, because it has resisted once, twice, so it's probably waiting for a third touch before it tells you is a verified resistance zone. Okay, here it tells you weak resistance because it has only resisted once. Okay, so one spike comes back and hit it again to tell you untested. All right, so that's the meaning of all these things is quoting for you here. Now this indicator that tells you when spike might occur, all right, I'm also going to drop it in the Telegram channel for you guys. Okay, so make sure that you join the Telegram channel right now, and you want to make sure that when you plot the indicator on, you want to make sure you turn on the alert ready on so that it could be able to give you signals. Okay, now it is another indicator is called the percentage, the Williams percentage. Let me find the full name. The Williams percentage range. Okay, so how do I use this indicator? Now whenever I see take a view at this traders. Whenever I see price come down all the way from resistance and get to the -100 level, okay, whenever it gets to this level, I want to place a buy, all right, or I'll wait for one spike to come up. All right, if I notice a spike comes up and stops halfway, all right, I'll place my buy, because I believe the price will have to keep spiking up till it gets to the overbought level, which is the 0 points level or above the 20 level. Okay, that's just how the simple rule of this strategy works. So okay, all right, okay, a spike has just occurred again. All right, now it has got into the resistance zone. So that's that for that. So whenever you notice the move deep down, all right, you either wait for one spike or you place a trade with a little lot size. Okay, with a little lot size, with your lowest lot size probably, so that once you catch the first spike and you notice the first spike move, all right, like as you can see, this was the first spike move, and then when it stopped halfway, all right, then that was why I confidently stayed in the trade, because I know as long as it stopped halfway, it has to keep moving up till it gets to the highest level. And as you can see, the price has finally gotten to this level, so I can decide to take my profit here, believing that another spike might occur, or it might not occur, but the fact is that I've taken some good profits. All right, that's a very simple strategy. All right, as you can see, another issue happened here when the first spike took place here, and then it stopped halfway, and then what happened? Another spike moved up, it stopped halfway again, and then another spike still took it up higher and higher. All right, what happened? Several spikes until it finally got to the resistance level of this shift supply and demand indicator. Okay, as you can see clearly. All right, so you want to make sure you apply all these indicators together as multiple confluences to take your trade. All right, so this is you having your price action in place on your main chart, and then you have your indicators beneath, and then you have this one to be giving you a signal. That is why I told you that this one might not give you signals on time sometime. All right, sometimes the spike triggers the sound, and sometimes it could give you a signal on time, and then after a few seconds or a minute you see a spike. So you don't want to just rely on it alone, okay, but just make sure you apply all these other indicators and you follow the rules that I've given you, and you see yourself win. Now the next video that I'm going to make it for those who are using a mobile phone. All right, I'm going to teach you how to use exactly this same strategy, all right, on your mobile. All right, it's going to be a very simple one, and you don't want to miss it. So that's why you want to make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you be the first to get notified once I post that strategy. Okay, and then if you want to join the community, all right, go straight to the description below and join. You will see my Telegram link there, chat with team. Click on it and then chat me up on my DM. All right, so you can get information on how to join. So for the meantime, let's keep winning.